Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Opera GX Mobile. To begin, simply navigate to your device's App Store, then search for and download the Opera GX Mobile browser. This free application offers a secure, optimized browsing environment, perfect for mobile gaming. Installing it is your essential first step, ensuring your device has at least 4 GB of available storage for smooth operation. Once Opera GX Mobile is installed, open the application and follow the quick setup prompts. You should enable the built-in ad blocker and tracking protection immediately. This prevents unwanted interruptions during your gameplay. Consider adjusting the GX corner settings to customize your gaming newsfeed. These initial steps ensure a streamlined and efficient browsing environment for your Roblox adventures. Now, with Opera GX Mobile open, simply type roblox.com into the browser's address bar. Once the page loads, log in using your existing Roblox account credentials. If you are new to Roblox, you can easily create an account right there on the site. After logging in, you will be taken to your personalized Roblox dashboard, filled with games to explore. For the best Roblox experience, tap the three-dot menu at the bottom right of your screen to open browser settings. Here, you can enable data savings and set video quality to standard if you experience any lag, which significantly improves performance. Consider activating full screen mode as well. This eliminates distractions and provides a much more immersive gameplay environment for all your favorite games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.